Hey, nice shirt.
Thank you.
Where can I get a shirt like that?
Your closet.
Hey, so you ready for another trip?
I am. I'm ready to hit the road as soon as, gotta get the dishes done.
So we have a big trip this time. We are going a long ways away. All the way to Colorado. Fun, huh?
It is. It's going to be really fun.
I've never been in Colorado. I've been through Colorado when I was a kid, but never off-roaded here. And we've never been to Colorado together, so that's the first for us. Yeah. So, have you guys ever heard of Taylor Park, Colorado? It's way up there, like not like latitude, but elevation.
9,000.
Yeah, we're camping at 9,500 feet, I think.
Something like that.
And the trails just go up from there, like almost 13,000. So, been looking forward to this trip. We're going with our friends that we frequently go to Glamis with. It's a great group. Some of you might have heard of the La Familia group from way back in the UTV Underground days. So, any of you OGs out there that remember that, that's who we're with. So, been getting the car ready for the trip. Yes, this is a expedition trip for us. Expedition as in the car that we're taking. No, we're not taking the Maverick on this one. Getting the trailer all outfitted and everything. Got lots of fuel, probably more fuel than what I need. I don't know. We're gone for like 12 days, something like that. So, Taylor Park, Colorado. Looking so forward to it. Let's hit the road. We are caught up. We are in Grand Junction, Colorado. We're about 160 miles away from our destination, something like that. Stayed at this awesome RV park here. But, it's great. So we have, as you saw in some of the pictures, we have 6 people in our group, counting us. Awesome. Yeah, we're loving our new rig. Loving it. It's working out great. It's great to travel in. We love the truck and trailer too, but the motorhome's just so much nicer to travel and stuff. And the ride is great. Anyway, beautiful weather here, Grand Junction, Colorado. We are on the last leg of our trip. We took 2 days to get here. Kind of planned that way, doing about 500 miles per day. But that's okay because we have a lot of time that we're going to spend in Taylor Park and plenty of time to ride. So it's time to get back on the road and we'll catch up to you later. What you thought about Colorado? Is that what Colorado looks like to you? I don't know. That John Denver's full of crap.
Cedar Park, Colorado.
We made it. We made it. All right, let's show you camp. We're not totally set up yet, but let me show you what it looks like. You ready for the view? Then I gotta look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at this view.
This is the prettiest site right here.
Yeah, I noticed where you parked. Yeah.
We could have spun around. They were gonna let us spin around, but the my utilities would have been on that corner. I don't have long enough.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got enough hoses and cords, but
Yeah.
my poop hose, I don't have a long enough mace-rater hose.
Oh,
Actually, I do have an extension, but that'd be a hell of a.
yeah.
So I figured what the hell. But he said we could bring the table over here. And we can. This could be our party area or whatever we
Yeah,
want.
we have a real fire here,
Yeah.
they said,
Yeah.
if we wanted to.
So
Right on.
exciting times.
Right on.
Beautiful. Isn't it?
Yeah. It's gorgeous out here. All right, so kind of show you where we are, but here's our group again. We got George, Ray, and us. Jim and Sharon. Chris and Angelique. It's awesome. Awesome. Can't get enough of this view.